Good morning. This looks like the right place to buy tickets for the fair.
Good morning, sir. Yes, this is the main ticket booth. Welcome to the annual Autumn Fair. Are you looking to buy some tickets today?
Yes, please. I would like to buy tickets for my family. We have never been to this fair before, but we heard it is a lot of fun. We are very excited to see it.
It is a lot of fun. It is my favorite event of the year in our town. I am sure your family will have a wonderful day. The weather is perfect for it today, isn't it?
It is a beautiful sunny Saturday. We are very lucky. The atmosphere already feels great. I can hear the music playing and I can smell the delicious food.
The smell of the roasted almonds is my favorite. So, how many tickets do you need? Can you tell me how many adults and how many children are in your group?
Yes, of course. There are 2 adults, that is myself and my wife, and we have our 2 children with us.
Okay, 2 adults and 2 children. And could you please tell me the ages of your children? The ticket price is different for older and younger children.
My son is 10 years old, and my daughter is 7 years old.
10 and 7. Perfect. Thank you for that information. So, we have a few different ticket options available for you. I will explain them to you so you can choose the best one for your family.
Thank you. I would appreciate that. It is always good to know the options.
So, the first and most basic option is to buy individual tickets for everyone. The price for one adult ticket is 15 euros, and the price for a child ticket for children between the ages of 6 and 14 is 8 euros. Children under 6 are free.
Okay, so 15 euros for an adult and 8 euros for a child. Let me just do the math for my family. That would be 2 times 15, which is 30, and 2 times 8, which is 16. So the total would be 46 euros if I buy the tickets individually.
That is exactly correct. Your total would be 46 euros. However, we have another option that is very popular with families. It is called the Family Pass.
A family pass. That sounds interesting. What does that include?
The Family Pass is a special discounted ticket. It is valid for 2 adults and up to 3 children, so it is perfect for a family like yours.
That is a great offer. And what is the price for the family pass? Is it cheaper than buying the 4 individual tickets?
Yes, it is definitely cheaper. The price for the Family Pass for the whole day is just 40 euros.
40 euros. So that would save me 6 euros. That is a nice little saving. It means we have an extra 6 euros to spend on ice cream later.
Exactly. That is why it is our most popular option for families. It is a much better value. So, would you like to purchase the Family Pass?
Yes, I think the family pass is definitely the best choice for us. Thank you for telling me about it. I almost did not ask.
It is my job to make sure our visitors get the best deal. Now, there is one more choice you have to make. The Family Pass I quoted you, the one for 40 euros, is a single entry pass.
A single entry pass? What does that mean exactly?
It means that once you enter the fairgrounds, You cannot leave and then come back in again later on the same ticket. If you leave, you would have to buy a new ticket to re-enter.
I see. That is an important detail. Is there an alternative to that?
Yes, we also offer an all-day pass. The all-day pass allows you to leave and re-enter the fair as many times as you like during the day. We just give you a special wristband to wear, so you can show it at the gate when you come back in.
An all-day pass with a wristband for re-entry. That sounds very flexible. I need to think about our plans for the day.
Of course. Take your time to decide. Are you planning to spend the whole day here at the fair?
I think so, but my younger daughter, who is 7, sometimes gets very tired and overwhelmed in crowded places. It might be nice to have the option to leave for an hour or two.
That is a very good point. Many families with young children prefer the all-day pass for that reason. You could leave the busy fair for a while, maybe have a quiet walk by the river, and then come back later when your daughter has had a rest.
That is exactly what I was thinking. We could come back in the late afternoon for the big rides. What is the price difference? How much more expensive is the all-day family pass?
The all-day family pass is 50 euros, so it is 10 euros more than the single-entry family pass.
So, for an extra 10 euros, the 4 of us have the complete freedom to come and go as we please all day?
That is correct. It also means you could come back in the evening if you wanted to. The fair is open until 10 p.m. tonight, and we have a big fireworks display at 9:30 p.m. It is supposed to be spectacular.
A fireworks display. My children would absolutely love that. I did not know about the fireworks. That makes the all-day pass sound very, very attractive.
The fireworks are new this year. We are very excited about them. The flexibility of the all-day pass is what most people find very valuable. It allows you to plan your day without any pressure.
I agree. I think the extra 10 euros is definitely worth it for the peace of mind and the extra options it gives us. Before I make my final decision, can I just ask what is included in the entrance ticket?
A very good question. The entrance ticket gives you access to the entire fairground. This includes the traditional craft market, all the live music performances on the main stage, and the farm animal exhibition.
Okay, so the markets and the entertainment are included. What about the big rides, like the Ferris wheel and the roller coaster? Are they also included in the price?
No, the amusement park rides are not included in the entrance fee. You will need to buy tickets or tokens for each ride separately. There are ticket booths for the rides located inside the fairground.
I understand. That is quite normal for a fair. So, entrance, music, and markets are included, but rides and food are extra. Thank you for clarifying that. Here is a small brochure with a map of the fair. It shows you where everything is located.
Thank you. A map is very helpful. Okay, I have all the information I need now. I have made my decision.
Excellent! What have you decided?
We would like to buy the all-day family pass, please. The one for 50 euros.
The flexibility and the chance to see the fireworks make it the clear winner for us.
I think you have made a very wise choice. I am sure your family will have a fantastic full day of fun. So, that will be 50 euros, please. Will you be paying with cash or by card?
I will pay by credit card, please. Do you accept Visa?
Yes, we accept all major credit and debit cards. You can just tap your card here on the machine whenever you are ready.
Okay, I am just tapping my card now. It should be approved.
Perfect. The payment has gone through. Here is your receipt. And here are your 4 wristbands for the all-day pass. Please put them on now. They are waterproof and very durable, so you do not need to worry about them falling off.
Thank you. I will just put one on my wrist, and I will give the others to my wife and children. They are waiting for me just over there.
Please enjoy the map and the brochure. It also has a schedule of all the music performances on the main stage today, so you do not miss anything.
This is great. Thank you so much for all your help. You have explained all the options so clearly and patiently. It has made the start of our day very easy and pleasant.
It is my absolute pleasure. That is what I'm here for. I truly hope you and your family have a wonderful and memorable day at the Autumn Fair. Enjoy the sunshine.